Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make natural coffee creamers. Now, if you're like me, I really can't stand that artificial, non-dairy coffee creamers that you buy at the store. And I like to make my own at home because I know what's going into it. It's really simple, really easy, and very natural. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our heavy whipping cream. You could also use light cream if you prefer, but because I really like creamy tasting coffee creamer, I always use heavy whipping cream. You're going to take 1/4 of a cup of this heavy whipping cream and place that in the bottom of your container. Now today I'm using just a regular glass, but you may want to store this in a jar so that it has a lid on it. After that, we're going to take our vanilla extract and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of that in our coffee creamer. After we have that in there, we're going to take our milk, and you could use whole milk or a lower fat milk depending on how creamy you want this to be. We're going to do 1 cup of milk and add that to our serving glass here. After you have all those ingredients in there, you're then going to take your spoon and stir that around so that it's all evenly mixed together and distribute it. Once you have all those ingredients stirred together, you then have your natural coffee creamer. And again, you could use any variation of flavor that you want. And if you want to also sweeten the cream as well, instead of using an extract, you could actually use flavored syrups that are typically sold down the coffee aisle of your grocery store. And you could find a wide variety of different flavors such as vanilla, macadamia nut, hazelnut, caramel, raspberry. The list is endless. So you could just substitute that teaspoon for the extract with that syrup, and it'll actually add some sugar to your creamer as well. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make natural coffee creamers.